Hi everybody! Tonight I will show you how I did my fingerless mitten on Centro 22 needle. First I will cast on the machine, one in the front, one in the back for the first row like this with waste yarn. What is waste yarn? It's the yarn that will help me to close my tube at the end. So I do approximately 5 to 8 rows with waste yarn, and then I bring my yarn for my project. Put that in the yarn feeder and make sure that you put that in front of the needle if your waste yarn is a little bit off of the where it's supposed to be. Usually I stop in front of the yarn feeder, but I did not for this one. So I will do 10 rows of white. So put that in your notebook. The 5 is for the blue. We'll put blue now. And I put different color because the blue is the place where you could keep a little bit open to put your thumbs in it. So that's why I changed the color. If you don't want to change the color for yours, it's up to you. It's only to show you where it's gonna be easier if you do it to color for your first one at least. So I do a double knot, and then I will do 5 rows of blue there, and then I will continue by adding more white. Bring back my bottle, not bottle, my balls, my yarn. Put that in front of the needle, close it, and then I will crank. I will do 15 rows of white. I will do the knot later. Usually I don't put the yarn in the middle. I don't know why I did that, but I did it. I will fix that after. So I will do 15. Maybe I didn't find my scissor and I just put it there. So I do 15 rows, and then I will continue with waste yarn after for 5 to 8 rows. Put that in the middle, and then come back with your waste yarn. Put that in front of the wool needle, not the full wool needle, but the needle. Crank it and get off of the machine. I will go and do the little double knot here that I forgot to do, like this, there, and then I will stretch it and turn it on the other side. You will need 4 times this to do 2 mittens. So I will close the first part. So you need 2 to make 1 mitten. So I go with my hook, grab the first one, get it in, do a first stitch, pull a little bit, and then I will go and grab 1 stitch on one side, 1 stitch on the other side, and grab all the yarn to close the stitch. So we'll do that till I reach the other side, like this. Continue. I will do the same thing for the 4 tube that I have to do a pair. And when I'm gonna sew it, I will show you how to sew it with a wool needle by using the mattress stitch, and how to close it with your hook if you're more comfortable with a hook. There, almost finished. Make sure you grab all the stitches. Very important to prevent drop stitch. Like this, and reach the other one. Like this. Grab a new one. And then, voila! I'm not in the right place. Boom! There, grab the stitch that I forgot to get in, and then I will go and attach those 2 tails together, and I will go close the other part, other side. Same thing, I do that 4 times. So make sure that it's straight, it's not twisted before you close the top of it, if you want your work to look good at the end. There. So continue. I put it a little bit faster, but if you have problem with it, you just have to go back on the first piece, for the other side. Almost there. If you still here, can you put just a happy face or a smiley in the comment? It will tell me that you watched 6 minutes of the video. Thank you. Time to remove it. I removed the little knot, and I remove the first row. That's the cast on part. That's why it's always harder to remove. So I will pull on it after. Oh, it's divide there. Pull on it and we'll be able to remove it like this. There. Put it back. Like this. Almost finish. So we'll do the same thing for the 3 other tube. So I got 2 here, and remember I told you the blue will be the place where you could put your thumbs. So it's the place that I will leave open. I will hide this side in so that way we don't see the different layer color change. Not there. I made a mistake here, but I will fix it. I will fix it. You go right on the border, grab the other one, and with your yarn, see, I will close it with the hook right here. I just show you 2 different ways. If you're comfortable like this, you will do like this. You just grab the top. Make sure that your pieces are equal. There. And you go with your hook and you just grab 1 stitch one side, 1 full stitch, and then 1 full stitch, and then 1 full stitch the other side. Bring that to the crochet, the hook. Go there and pull it. Go there and pull it. If your 2 pieces are very equal like this, you could see the column of stitches, you will be just fine. There. Like this. And I continue. And when I reach close to the blue, I slow down a little bit, grab those stitch, and I will go look like this. You could put that inside or outside. It's up to you. So I'll just finish it, close it, and we'll continue on the other side of the blue. Make sure you go grab the first stitch, the white. Don't go in the white and the blue, it won't be equal at the end. So I will do the same thing. I just continue. Like this. I'm not in the right angle, sorry for that. Like this. If you have a big hands, maybe you could open it like this and stop where I show you the open, like 2 centimeter before the end. You could start there. It would make a different style to your mitten. So we'll add those little tail, cut it, and I will go and show you how I close this. Secure, put that in there, cut it, and then put it there. To mattress stitch. I will show you how I did it. So if you want to do that both sides, it's up to you. I just show different way on the same video. Hope it's not confusing for people, but it's only that I show 2 different way to finish it. So you go grab it, 2 stitch one side, 2 stitch the other side, and you always stay on the same column. And I don't tie it right now. I will wait until to reach the other side. There. So we continue, because I stopped the other side because I put the thumbs. So I will not stop on the blue this side because I already did one room on the other side. The video is almost finished. It's a quick video compared to the latest I've made lately. So put that in my hands, and I will just pull on the string, and you could see through the blue. I will show you how to fix that after. Make sure you secure it and close it correctly at the end like this. Like this. Like this, and I will hide it in the blue instead. So that way it won't see through anymore. So voila, it's the video for this week. Hope you enjoy it. See you next week for a new video, and don't forget to subscribe if it's not already done. Bye bye. See you next week.